In this video, I'm going to show you all the things that I had to purchase to rebuild this Sta-Rite Dura-Glas Pool Pump and their part numbers. So I've also purchased these seals, all right, and there's two of them. So US seal manufacturer PS 200 pump seal. And this is what they look like. This is the ones I pulled out. This is the ones of the front spring, and this one is the piece that goes right in here. Anyway, this is called the diffuser. The part number is C1200PA. You have to have a new little rubber thing that goes around it, and this one's pretty messed up. I'm going to try to see if I can get a new one. This is the impeller. So the impeller is a C15137P, okay? And you can see it's pretty worked. So I think I want to get a new one of those. All right, so anyway, this is brass, and this thing here chewed it all up. So that has to be replaced. So here's our impeller. So we got to put this on. It's brand new. Here's our old one. You can see how it's all worn out on here, and that's from rubbing against that brass. I think that's what was giving us that massive noise. And so look, here's the difference. Check this out. So here's the brass. You see that? That's why this stuff's so expensive, because it's got this brass on it, right? Look at this. Look at that mess. That's why we had to get a new one. You follow me? That's horrible. That looks terrible. So if you're putting a new pump on your filter system for your pool, I would strongly recommend replacing all of these parts. And then basically you'll have a brand new system that's going to work super great and be super efficient. That's the only way to go. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.